everybody, welcome back to another video. Stock market and cryptocurrency are a huge phenomenal run towards the end of the year. And guess what? President Donald Trump done gave us a stimulus package of $2,000 guaranteed to most Americans. What does this mean for investors? Well, investors get $2,000 pay package. This means that a lot of Americans can put $2,000 in their bank accounts, and not only can they save it, they can avoid getting to Robinhood, Fidelity, and a lot of brokerage accounts. Sign up on Coinbase to pour up to these cryptocurrencies. This is called quantitative easing. And quantitative easing is just basically a sum up of where people put money in the stock market and the cryptocurrencies, and it just pumps up like a pregnant woman, and it gets so big that the stock market goes berserk. So what does this mean for you? Whenever you get your 2,000 stimulus package, this is gonna create a huge rally in the stock market. So pay attention to this video to see what you can do with your $2,000 stimulus check. And now you can get started. Don't miss out on many investors' plan when they get this package. And if you don't get this package, this is how you can take advantage of your check the next 3 months. First thing off the rip, we got is Bitcoin. For all you broke boys who think Bitcoin's gonna go to zero, Bitcoin is a scam, a Ponzi scheme. Listen up, Bitcoin is currently at 106,000. And when Bitcoin fell 8% last week, man, I almost fell for unemployment, but guess what? I'm still here and I'm still buying Bitcoin, and buy the Bitcoin dip, because right now if you buy Bitcoin, you're guaranteed to make it out the hood where all your brothers are shooting at each other, and you can guarantee to make a 50% return by the end of the year. Yeah, I said it, a 50% return at the end of the year. And this is gonna be half of what you put in. If you put in a band, you get $500. Let me talk contraband to you boys so you can understand me. Bitcoin is a guaranteed buy. We got people like Saylor cracking up all the Bitcoins. You got the Fed. Yeah, we said the Fed, and I'm not federal just because I have a mic. Okay, we got the Fed buying Bitcoin continuously. We got these major corporations buying Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin at 100,000 to 125,000. Get you a 50% return investment. Price target for Bitcoin is 150,000. The next one we have on the list is Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest crypto, and another Ponzi scheme made by a person that can go ahead and get all the money in the network, and he can go ahead another rug pull, so it can take all you dumb consumers' money and go ahead and crash the U.S. economy and pay off the U.S. debt as well. Ethereum is currently sitting at $3,500, and it's a great one you can buy as Ethereum has a price target of $8,000 in 2026. So what does that mean for you? Whenever you get this package and you can buy Ethereum, you can own at least half Ethereum, or not even 60% of Ethereum. And whenever Ethereum goes to 7K, you'd have made almost a 70% return off investment. And Ethereum is a nice cryptocurrency before you get started, as you get dividend yield. Dividend yield means you get about 5% for just putting your money in the damn cryptocurrency. So go ahead and buy Ethereum. Ethereum is a great start for you to start learning about cryptocurrency, so you can go ahead and get the rest of your money. You can go ahead and get the rest of the getters. Now let's get into next stocks that we should go ahead and add to our list is MSTR. MSTR is another stock that's on the way that's gonna grab the most Bitcoins in the world. There's about 700,000 Bitcoins. So that means the stock just matches Bitcoin's price. So once we see Bitcoin climb that ladder and start building its real muscle, we see the MSTR stocks is pump up slowly. So now the Bitcoin is going ahead and break out to 150,000. Watch MSTR so you can go ahead and get a huge profit from Bitcoin. Now, MSTR price target is $500, so you need to get it right now for MSTR, as it's currently sitting at $237. So if you get it at $237 and it goes to $500, you get 100% return. Now, long term, hold MSTR and you will buy the shares. Don't try to rush like the big bear rushing your price so you can get a quick trade, because you might get hit by the markets. So make sure you got option and shares. The next one we got on the list is Tesla. Elon Musk and Doge, the one he's from South Africa but still does not support immigrants. Yes, Elon Musk, the one with SpaceX, he's a CEO but doesn't know anything about business, and the one that funds all these companies and doesn't have no real inventions. Yes, Tesla is currently sitting at $444. So what does this mean for you? Tesla has a high of $500 in recent 2024. So whenever you get it now, Tesla has to make an all-time high from its past recent of 500. And it's currently touching right there. It's like your best friend is sleeping with your another best friend. Okay? Now, Look at this. Whenever Tesla surpasses the number 500, it has to go even higher to maybe about $600 or $500. So what does it mean for you? You want to get a nice call option on Tesla. One call that can last until 2026, just in case your mover trade doesn't hit the right spot. Now, actually, you want to out for long-term investors, get some shares of Tesla as well, because Tesla can hit $1,000 in the next 3 years. Yes, $1,000 in the next 3 years, just because Tesla and its business model when it comes to electrical vehicles and the study of electricity and solar panels and all of these different robots Tesla's studying right now. The market for Tesla has a lot of potential. So go ahead and grab Tesla stock right now for a sale right now. We can go ahead and push up in the next 3 years. This is long-term investors. This is a stock for you. And the last stock you boys should get before we go is Nvidia. Nvidia is currently sitting at $199. We pulled down with Nvidia to 183 last week, but Nvidia is the mega stock. All these different companies, it's another Ponzi scheme. It likes to fund all these little small tech companies and make them a little big again, but feel like the big daddy. Okay, so Nvidia is currently at $199, where you should put your dollar in because it has the potential to gain 40% to 30% from here. Yes, Nvidia can hit $240 in the next year, so this is a great price target for you Nvidia investors, and it pays a little share dividend for per share. Yeah, it gets a little bang for your buck. Okay, so go ahead and get Nvidia. It's the AI giant, the one that's gonna be funding your robots in the future, the one that's gonna be moving your Amazon data centers, all that stuff. Okay, go ahead and get you some Nvidia. Little bitchy. And shit, you don't make it the last part. I'm gonna give you one more is UNH. Not a help. Yes, all you boys paying for health insurance, make sure you sign up. And if you missed our last chance to sign up before November 24th for your health insurance for your mom and dad and your little kids. Okay, make sure you all got plans and health insurance so when you get to the doctor, you don't have to spend about $25,000. Yeah. All you damn boys buying health insurance, Obamacare, go vote for the Democrats. Yeah, this is your stock right here, UNH. United Health is currently sitting at $321 for all you health insurance consumers that love to get health insurance so you don't have to pay $250 when you go to the doctor. Okay, their stock right here is $321, so if you get health insurance, you might as well buy the stock when you get your $2,000 stimulus check. So this stock right here has potential to go back to $600 before it hit its crash, before they clapped the CEO, before all the down stuff, the bad news came for this stock. And this stock has the potential to ×2 where it's at. And you get $2 for your little thing under the buck, okay? You get $2 per share whenever you buy the stock. So if you get 100 shares, every quarter you get $2. So that's a little $200 stuck to the side. No narcotic included, okay? This is legal money, guys. So go ahead and buy you some United Health. And United Health has an opportunity for you to get out of debt. Okay, you like the little dudes out buy you little health insurance. You like the health insurance to make money from all your little consumers. This is your stock, okay? Go ahead, guys. Buy the stock. It's on sale. Warren Buffett, you know you like to get Warren Buffett. He has your stock too in his portfolio. If you guys don't believe me, go do your research. Go ahead and do your diligence. Go do your diligence. Okay? For all you like the boys that like to get your health insurance, you have to make sure you sign up to get the corporate. Go ahead and get the insurance. Yeah. Go get your insurance. This is your insurance stock right here, man. Yes, sir. And if you guys like the video, make sure you check out the last one. You're gonna like the next one. And this is it. I see you guys in the next one. Go to social academics and buy the latest teas. Bitcoin to the moon. That's it, man. See you guys in the next one, man. Love you guys. Stay up. We out, bro.